Hey chickies, welcome back to Vlogtober day 26. Today I thought I would share a really quick review with 3 different looks using a fairly new eyeshadow palette from the brand iheartrevolution, and this is called the Cinnamon Chocolate Shadow Palette. In case you're new here, I'm Christine. I'm currently participating in Vlogtober, where I am uploading a video every single day for the month of October. I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So this is a fairly new eyeshadow palette from the brand iheartrevolution. This retails for $15 and inside you receive 18 different matte eyeshadows. The palette is plastic. I love the outside because it kind of has like that chocolatey look to it with like that warmth, because this is supposed to be like a cinnamon chocolate palette. Inside you also receive a full-size mirror, which I really do appreciate. Now the really cool thing about this palette is that it is slightly scented with a cinnamon scent. It's not overpowering. You definitely have to be like, ooh, did I just get some on my nose? Put your face, like your nose, right up to the palette to even smell it. So that's something just to be aware of. To be honest with you, I didn't even notice it until I actually smelled the palette. So let's jump in now to the swatches, as well as the 3 different looks I curated using the eyeshadows from this palette. This is really the best way for you to kind of see and gauge for yourself how these eyeshadows perform and how pigmented or not pigmented they are. And then I'll be back for my final thoughts.
I got a little sweet tooth for you. I'm looking for a bit of sugar. Lucky me, it's my cheat day, 'cause I'm feeling for you lately. Just a little taste, it could do me good. Extra for the road if you kindly would. Can't sleep till I get my fix.
So I hope you found those swatches as well as those 3 different looks helpful. Now, I just wanted to really point out that I had no problem with any of the shadows in this palette. I did have some fallout with these shadows. They kind of kicked up right on the side, which really wasn't a problem to me because I kind of just swept it away with a brush at the very end. I found that these shadows were pigmented but also buildable, which is something I really appreciate because you can go in little by little to get a lot of color payoff. There are some shadows in here though, like this one, Chili Pepper. I mean, you get a ton of color payout, and this one called Paprika. I didn't get any splotchiness from them. They blended out so well. Really love the color story of this palette because you get some neutrals, but you also get a lot of those rich, warm colors like that burnt orange color. I also really appreciate the pops of color. Like you have this one called Turmeric, and you also have this other one called Harissa, which is like a pinky color. I had a great time curating looks using this eyeshadow palette, and it's very rare for me just to get a palette where it is all mattes. I always tend to gravitate towards palettes where they have some mattes and some shimmers, or you know, they have some duochromes in there. This, in my opinion, is another really awesome palette from iHeartRevolution. Affordable, pigmented, blendable, buildable, and I love how they also have that hint, that slight hint of a cinnamon scent to this eyeshadow palette. So I'm curious on your thoughts on the iHeartRevolution Chocolate Cinnamon palette. Is this something that you think you might be in the market and might pick it up, or is this something you think you're gonna pass on? And your thoughts on the looks I created using this eyeshadow palette. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. I would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Make sure you come back tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 27. Thank you, Chicky, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Mwah.